bottle cap opener?
No.
How about you, Charlotte? No. I didn't know.
Hey, baby.
Have you seen the bottle opener? I've looked everywhere.
No, I haven't. But I tell you what, that's a problem we can fix. Let's go build one.
Welcome to Escambia Woodworking, where we're building a better tomorrow.
In this episode, we're making a bottle cap opener.
In this episode, we need a bottle cap opener and some wood of your choice. And wood glue and super glue. And we also need rare earth magnets. Other than the saw, we need a drill and a rounder. Let's get started.
So we're going to be taking our wood strips and we're going to go ahead and cut those to size using a table saw. In fact, we actually have some cut-offs from the old cutting board that we're going to be using to make one as well. So while I'm using the table saw, girls, what do y'all want to do?
Now we are going to glue these pieces together.
Alright, Anna, you ready? Alright, let's turn them on. Their sides. Let's get a little bit more glue on this one. You want to spread it out some? Alright. So the last step here at this step is to come over to the miter saw. Let's cut this down to its final length. We did cheat a little bit. Our boards were a little too much to sand off, so we just took it over to the joiner and cut it down so we have a nice smooth cut now. Took it back to the sander, sanded it off some more, good to go. So we're going to cut it down to our final length now.
Now we are going to use the router to round the edges. It helps clamp it down. To sand. Remember to sand the grain.
Next, we took our bottle opener and we kind of placed it on here about where it would be, and then we sized where our marks need to be to drill. Now, the most important thing here, you can use a regular drill if you want to, or a drill press works really well for this. Just make sure that when you set your depth, that you don't go out the other side of the board, otherwise you'll have a hole rather than a place for your magnet. You want to go as deep as you can to give your magnet a chance to catch the bottle caps. So I've got my helper here with me. She's going to help me drill these first few holes. Of course, we always put on our safety gear. Are you ready? All right. I'll get mine on. And we are going to line up our hole just like that. You ready? Here we go. Pull it down. Pull it down. There you go. Keep going. All the way down. Awesome. Come on down with it. Slow. Go with it. Good job. Right back up and go all the way down. All the way down. Turn it down. One more pressure. Up, back down. Sticky.
So this is what happens when Anna gets the camera to record. We're trying to show how we're gluing the magnets in at this point.
Now it's time to sand off the excess glue. Now that the super glue is dry, we will add some finish to it and then mount the hardware onto it.
Alright.
We mounted our bottle openers and we tried it out. Now can we finally open my sprite?
Well, absolutely. Let me have it. Well, we tried. That got it.